Well, Braxton, let's see what we're going to get into today. You want to go play in the snow?
Yeah!
All right, let's go get ready. All right, we got everything ready, but it looks like first, before we do anything, we got to plow this driveway. All right, so we got the driveway plowed, we got it salted. I think now we're ready to have some fun. All right, Braxton, I think we got everything ready. So what we do is we got snowboard, a couple chairs, we got some boxes that we can start the fire with, we got some wood, and then we got some hot dogs. We're gonna cook on that fire.
Yeah.
What do you think? You ready now?
Yes, I think we're ready.
All right.
Let me take the snow off.
All right, you go ahead, kick some of that snow off of there. I'll get everything unloaded here. Here's our fire starter. Here's your board. All right, we got a little bit of tinder in here still. I'm not gonna put a ton of effort into this fire. We're just gonna make it. All right, hop out, bud.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, we're just gonna. Well, I wish I was doing this just for a cool video, but my lighter, it must be out of fluid, so I have one of these magnesium flint stick things. We're gonna try starting this fire the old-fashioned way, I guess. Braxton couldn't wait, so he's up there already starting to snowboard. All right, so the way these work is you scrape some of that magnesium onto your tinder, and hopefully if we get a spark to it, it'll catch. I kid you not, I got it to work. That was not easy. Well, Brax, now that we got the fire going a little bit, you ready to go do some snowboarding?
Yeah, look. My snowboard's right there.
You already got the snowboard up there. All right, let's do it. So, every time you get a chance to go outside, you gotta go. When them kids wanna go outside and play, you gotta take them. It's better than them playing video games or sleeping on the couch. So that's what we do. Every single time the weather's good, we come out here and we do whatever we can. This is our 7 acres. We do a lot of stuff here. We hunt, we ride quads and side-by-sides, we snowboard and sled, do all kinds of fun stuff. So here we go. So Braxton just started snowboarding about 3 days ago. We hardly ever get snow here in western Pennsylvania. Well, snowboarding and sledding type of snow. So we've been out here every single day we can. He got himself a new snowboard for Christmas, and he's hooked. Ready? Ain't good. Not bad. Take the bindings off and let's get back up here. Go ahead and turn. Yeah! That was a good one, bud. Come down here, check on this fire. Looks like we're getting some coals finally. Stoke her up a little bit. Be ready to cook on her soon for lunch. So while I'm walking back up here, waiting on Braxton to get back up here, just want to introduce myself. My name is Brett. My wife is Dana. We have two kids, Braxton and Adeline. We call Adeline Peach. She's about to be 5 and he just turned 6 on New Year's Eve. And what we do, well, we just like playing outside. Whether it's hunting, fishing, riding, going on vacation to the mountains, to Disney, doesn't really matter. To the beach. We have 7 acres that we pretty much use just about every single day. We go on quite a few adventures, and that's really what it's all about. They pretty much like doing anything outside, so I'm a full supporter. Whenever they ask me to go outside, even if I'm sick or if I'm tired, if they ask me to go outside, we go. Take them out, show them something new, something fun. Let them do what they love to do, which is just play. So that's what this channel is about. That's what I hope to make it anyway. And we'll see what happens. Tired? Yeah. Go ahead, take a break. Ready, big guy? That wasn't bad. This is about the 10th time he's walked up this hill. I think he's getting pretty tired. Ready to shred the gnar? Let me tighten these first a little bit more. Good job, bud. That was awesome. Did good on that one. Go check his fire. Just in case anybody's wondering where Dana or Peach is at, Peach is a cheerleader and she is cheerleading today, so I'm sure she'll be out here playing in the snow whenever she gets back home. Well, it's getting there. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up the chairs, let some of this burn down a little bit, and then we're gonna cook a few hot dogs for lunch. I got you a seat. All right, so our hot dog sticks are MIA right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here, get a couple sticks to use for tongs.
Hey, Daddy.
What?
Awesome.
You got a couple? All right, we might have to use them ones too. Let's head back. I think while we wait for this fire to burn down just a little bit more, you want to go for a ride in a side-by-side? For a ride in a side-by-side? Huh?
Yeah.
All right, we'll go. So I got a Honda Pioneer 700. It's the 4-seater. These in the back, that flips up into 2 extra seats. We got a windshield, the roof on it, and I got a snowplow for it, along with a winch, obviously. Anybody wants to see a video on that, let me know. All right, hop up in there. Couple deer. We'll leave her go, buddy. Huh? All right. Gonna cook some hot dogs?
Yeah.
All right. Was that fun?
Yeah.
All right, good. All right, go get the seats warmed up for us. Come in here. all I do is I got a couple of pieces of foil here. How many hot dogs do you want? 6? 15? 47?
Can I have 2?
Well, good. We actually have 4. So we'll have 2 and 2. And watch what we do. There we go. So we're just gonna take this. We'll put it about right there for now. Check on it in a couple minutes. Flip it over, and hopefully we'll be ready to eat. So we don't have any plates either. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a couple. Here. I got a couple plates. And if you're from the Pittsburgh area, you know what Heinz is. Heinz, the best ketchup you could buy. Getting there. Braxton made a little miniature snowman while we're waiting on these hot dogs. All right. I think he's probably just about done. Let's give him a check.
I guess the middle ones are mine.
They're perfect. Here. All right. So you got one.
Can I
got
take
one.
my glove off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I'm excited. Which ones you taking? Take 2. There you go. Good. Hot?
Hot, hot, hot.
Yeah, is it hot? How hot?
Super hot.
Okay, let them cool down for a minute. Well, how are they?
Good.
You like them? Perfect, huh? And we cooked them over the fire. It's still snowing. You having fun today? Well, let me try one. Oh, baby. That hits the spot in the 20-degree cold weather. So, we actually don't get that much snow here, usually. So, that's why whenever there's enough snow to do snowboarding and sledding or whatever you want to do, you got to come out and do it whenever it's here, because sometimes, a lot of times whenever it snows like this, it'll be here for one day and then it melts. So, for us, we just make sure we enjoy it while we can. Right? We're gonna warm up a little bit because it's pretty cold out here, huh? How's it hot? Well, everyone, that's gonna do it for this one. I know it wasn't anything special, but we had a good time and hope you enjoyed the video. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.